Hello guys, this is Punit. I'm a price action trader. I usually trade Emini 2000 tick chart for scalping and 1 minute time frame chart for swinging. So let's start the 5 minute end of the review now. This was yesterday's high. This was yesterday's close. We see a huge gap opening and the first bar is a decent enough bear bar closing near its low. Can you go short one tick below this bar, put your stop loss here and hope for a scalp down? Maybe a test of EMA, maybe a test of yesterday's high. You can. Or you can wait for a couple of bars and then go short. You can go short one tick below the strong closing bear bar and put your stop loss one tick above the first bar's high. If you did hold your trade, you got your 1:1 risk reward and bit more than that. If I have to mark, you almost got 2 hours, so that's good. Okay, now what's happening? If you see this bar, are you disappointed or are you overjoyed that you went short? You're obviously disappointed, right? Now again a bull bar closing near its high, micro double bottom. People who went long here would have got their scalp. Also, bulls got their leg 1, pull back leg 2, and this is the second entry short for bears. You can go short one tick below this bar and hope for a scalp down. Why a scalp down? Because this seems like a trading range to me, and we also got a H2. We are close to EMA. So you can go long one tick above this inside bull bar, put your stop loss here or here and hope for a scalp up. Now again, bulls got their leg 1, pull back leg 2 and a trap. Now this is a double top from here to here and also from day's high to here. Also this trade is still valid. Whoever went short here or here and put their stop loss here hoping for a test of yesterday's high, yesterday's close, their trade is still valid. So you can go short one tick below this bar, put your stop loss one tick above or on the day's high. You got your scalp down with the swing down too. 1, 2, 3, 4 bars consecutively closing near their lows. Also breaking below EMA. So can you go short one tick below this bar or short this close? You can. I would rather wait for a pullback and then go short here. This is L1. You put your stop loss one tick above the bar and go for a short trade. You can either put your stop loss here or here. If you put it here, you would have to get out for a small R, maybe at the day's low. If you did put your stop loss all the way up here, then you got your measure move down. Suppose you shorted here. This is where you get out. Also, that is very close to yesterday's high. Now, this looks like a climax, right? Strong breakout, reversal bar, strong breakout, reversal bar, strong breakout, small reversal bar. You can go long one tick above this bar, put your stop loss here and hope for a 1 hour or maybe test of EMA, but that's an okay trade. It's better to wait for a strong closing bull bar. Now here if you see, price try to go lower once. This is a second attempt. Can you go short here and hope for a swing lower? Maybe not a swing, but a scalp, yes. But that is happening after the wedge climax. So it's better to wait for a long setup. This is a bad signal bar, but if you want to go long, you can go long one tick above this decent enough closing bull bar and put your stop loss here or here. If you put it right under the signal bar, you would have got stopped out. Here again, if you see, this is one more L2. You can call this L2 or this L2. Can you go short here and put your stop loss here? You can. If you took this trade, you would have got stopped out again. Or maybe you went short here and put your stop loss at the pivot high. That is good enough. You got your scalp down. Why just a scalp down? Because this is in a trading range, and also people who went long here put the stop loss here and their trade is still valid. And if you see, bulls started to make money whenever they went long one tick below the low of the previous bar's low with a limit order. Okay, this was a huge doji bar, so nothing to do here. Bulls took the price higher, broke out over EMA. So this is major trend reversal breakout for me, and then a H2 pattern. H2 pattern after a major trend reversal breakout. Why do I call that major trend reversal? Is because price tried to go lower twice and they got trapped. This was H2 and you would place your stop loss one tick below this bar's low or this bar's low and over swing up. Tight channel, 3 consecutively closing bull bars. Is it a trap or another breakout of this wedge top and then measure move higher? For me, it's a trap. You can go short one tick below this bar's low and hope for a scalp down. If you see that did work out, can you go long here and hope for a scalp up again? This is price trying to go higher once. This is a second attempt. You can go long one tick above this bar. That trade got invalidated by this bar now. So that's it guys. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see me reviewing 1 minute time frame chart and review my daily trades which I take for the day, I'll leave the link in the description below. Thank you.